Hi all, welcome to the new video of Start Smart Academy. Today's video is about 4 papers in IELTS. There are 2 modules in IELTS, that is General and Academic. The test evaluates your English on the basis of these receptive and productive skills. Listening and speaking are same for both modules, whereas reading and writing are different. Let's move on to listening. Listening test is divided into 4 parts that each contains 10 questions and total 40 questions. In listening test, you will listen 4 recordings that are mix of monologues and conversations from native English speakers, and then you write answers to a series of questions. Listening test lasts for around 30 minutes and you get additional 10 minutes to copy your answers to the answer sheet. All the recordings you can hear only once. Now let's move on to reading. Reading test is different for academic and general. In academic reading, you come across 3 long passages. Each contains around 13 questions and total 40 questions and 1 hour to complete this. Then general reading also divided into 3 parts. Part 1 contains 2 to 3 extracts, part 2 around 2 to 3 short text, and part 3 contains 1 long passage which is more complex than all the other 2. So in reading both general and academic, you get 1 hour and total 40 questions. Now let's move on to the productive skills, that is writing and speaking. First, writing. Writing contains 2 tasks, that is task 1 and task 2. Task 1 is different for both general and academic. In general, task 1, you will be presented with a situation and asked to write a letter, that is formal, informal or semi-formal. Whereas in academic, you will be presented with a chart, graph, table or diagram and asked to summarize or describe it. Now let's move on to task 2. Task 2 in general and academic, you will be asked to write an essay on general topic regarding a point of view, problem or an argument. So in task 1, you get 20 minutes and you need to write at least 150 words. Whereas in task 2, you get 40 minutes and need to write at least 250 words. So you get for writing task 1 and task 2, you get total 1 hour. Now let's move on to speaking. Speaking is a face-to-face informal discussion with an IELTS examiner. It designs to evaluate your pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar and fluency. It is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, that is introductory part, in which the examiner will ask you general questions about some familiar topics. You get around 10 to 12 questions on 2 topics and you have to speak about 2 to 3 sentences each. In part 2, the examiner will give you a topic card that asks you to talk about a topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You get around 1 minute for preparation. In part 3, that is discussion part, in which you get an opportunity to discuss about some topics related to cue cards. And you get around 3 to 10 questions and you have to answer in 5 to 6 sentences each. Hope you got an idea about 4 skills in IELTS. Let's learn more about IELTS in the next video. Till then, bye.